how to increase volume in your hair. So these basically are a few little hacks that you use to show more volume in your hair in case you have kind of scanty hair. So the first thing that I would suggest is change the parting. So yeah, if in case you have always had a left side parting for your hair, change it to the right one for that particular event or that particular hairdo, and you are going to have much more volume than what was there before in your hair. The second one is, of course, that I think most of us know, is back combing. So you're just going to take your hair and back comb on each of the section, which is also called teasing of the hair, and this would give a lot of volume to the hair. A lot of salon and hairstylists use this technique to give more volume. The third is you could use a shampoo which helps in increasing volume for your hair. So there are a lot of brands that are offering a shampoo of that kind, so go ahead and use that. The fourth technique is blow dry your hair, but do it upside down. So instead of blow drying your hair in this way, just shift your head and do your upside down blow dry, and that, when you put it back, is going to have a lot of volume for your hair. And lastly, all you need to do is, if you really think that even all this is not working out, then you can kind of take one section of your hair, like the top one, out and crimp the remaining inside layers from the roots. So when you crimp the hair, it kind of becomes wavy and it gives a bit of upliftment to the hair. So just crimp the inner layers and leave the upper ones straight. So it would just look like your hair has more volume. So yeah, I think these tips are really good to use, and let me know if they worked for you. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching.